here's a fun one just to cap it off. A fun one, a quick little deal for the holidays. I have become a fan of the M1 series of MacBooks. You have been using Final Cut Pro and clipping out this show actually on an M1 MacBook Pro,
great.
And it's crazy what Apple's been able to do with their with the development of their own silicon. And we have two devices available right now that feature this: the M1 MacBook Pro, M1 MacBook Air. They're pretty much the same, other than the fact that the Pro has the touch bar and it has a bigger battery and it has a fan. But otherwise, most of the benchmarks coming in around the same. Anyways, there's a deal right now on the M1 MacBook Pro over on Amazon. And I'm surprised there's a deal because typically it's tough to find any savings on Apple products. Like they just, especially after they just recently came out. But this holiday, it appears that there's some more aggressive sellers, including Amazon on this one. They have the 8 gig of RAM model and 512 SSD model for $13.99, which is $100 off the normal price. They also, the lowest that has been tracked so far was the 256 model, which was discounted to $1,200. So getting really close to that. It's $1,249 right now. What about the Air? Can you check the Air real quick? You're on the US Amazon right now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, check the Air. I'm curious. Amazon being aggressive, biting into its own profit margins. There's the new one right there. $1,249 with 512. Yeah, click on that one and then switch to the last
one
store.
in stock.
One in stock. Yeah, but see, that's for the 512. The entry level is actually the exciting one price-wise. Right around $1,000. Anyways, nonetheless, you can catch a deal. Maybe you're buying your own Christmas gift this year, and it's time to upgrade your laptop. If you've been waiting around for a MacBook, I mean, this is the most compelling reason in a while. This new M1 chip, and our experience with it recently has been good. So anyway, there you go. Quick little deal for you.